Hello, David again at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2023 230 Cruiser by Harris. Brand new for 2023 is the matte black finish. You can see there's a black accent up top. Saltwater edition. This has a solid keel on the pontoons with anodes on the aft. Safe for saltwater. If you were to bottom paint it, it could sit in the water with no issues. As I move to the back of the boat, we can see we have a extended swim platform. This is an upgraded option for the Cruiser. Coming around the side, we have the aft, a 175 Mercury outboard. This is a digital throttle, digital shift model. We also have a full-length center pontoon, performance level 2. Performance level 2, full-length pontoon as I mentioned, 37 gallons of fuel. You also get the ski pylon standard as one of the upgrades. Over here on the starboard side, we have our stainless steel boarding ladder with a nice wide entrance. It's easy to go up, you don't have to shimmy to get onto the boat. Speakers facing aft and some other features up top. Moved up on deck, you can tell there's plenty of room on this 23-foot Cruiser. Performance level 2 also allows for this option. This is the upgraded ski locker. This goes back about 2-3 feet. Massive amounts of storage. There is a pump in there. If water gets in there, it'll pump out. On the port side, we have a collapsible change house that stores away. The next seat cushion, there's a trash can built in there for easy access. Every seat base is molded with plastic with drains that go out, so virtually weatherproof. Virtually dry storage and everything. Every seat is also hinged, so you don't have any panels that are able to fly around. We also have cup holders and charge ports on all 4 corners. This boat has the interior lighting package, so the cups, the speakers, and underneath the seats will glow with RGB lighting. Above our head, we have a power bimini, as I mentioned earlier, a high back seat with the adjustable base, so it will slide up, down, slide forward and back, and up and down as well. Up here on the helm, we have a JL audio head unit with 6 speakers, a wireless phone charger, digital throttle, digital shift, tilt steering, course switches, and our Simrad. This boat with the 9-inch Simrad will give you a fish finder, a chart plotter for navigation, and also all of your engine data as far as gallons per hour, speed, RPMs, everything you'd want to know on the engine. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'd love to show it to you.